Hi! In front of me is Poco F5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. First of all, you need to open Tab menu. Now look for Lock Orientation icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same icon again. You can also go into Devices settings, scroll down and click on Display. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!